Panasonic EZ1000 4K Ultra HD TV. Panel 4K Ultra HD Master OLED HDR 4K Pro Bright Panel Ultra Bright Panel. Screen resolution 3840 by 2160. Panel drive OLED Super Motion Drive. Picture mode Dynamic Normal Cinema True Cinema THX 4K Cinema Bright Room Customer Professional 1 Professional 2 Signal Processor Studio Color HCX2 Hexachroma Drive 4K Hexachroma Drive Pro HDR Multi-HDR supported noise reductions, multi-noise reductions, surrounds, VR audio 2 surrounds plus speaker dynamic LED speakers, Twitter 2 speaker 4 woofer by 8 quad passive radiators. Speaker output 80 watts, sound mode standard music ambitions users. Support formats AVI, HEVC, MPV, WMV, MP4, M4V, FLV, 3GPP, VRO, DOV, TSPS, etc. Teletext request reception 2000p.